Welcome. Let's dive into the units for your UGC NET disaster management subject. So this syllabus actually has 10 units. The first unit is an introduction to disaster management where the basic know-hows about disaster management and the methodologies have been taken into consideration. The research methodology is a very similar unit which is similar across most of your topics. So if you are appearing for more than one NET subject, then definitely you have an added advantage here because this unit has more or less exactly the same content. So you would need to know about research, the meaning, the research design, data collection, ethical considerations, and then this section which specifically talks about disaster research actually focuses on the quantitative and qualitative research methodologies which are ethnography, autobiography, grounded theory, which have been covered in the research sections in detail. So this is a common unit. Now, as we said in the first unit, it was just about what is disaster, human induced natural disasters, vulnerability, risk assessments and management in India. The next unit that comes in is legal framework. Now, this is something where you would have to rote memorize mainly the disaster management acts and policies, and then some international conventions, the legal instruments, which includes the Hyogo framework, the Yokohama strategies. Then talking about the institutional arrangements like the structure at the national level, state level and district level, the NDRF response force. Similarly, the financial management, what would be the risks, what would be the avoidance of the risk, analysis and audits for the same. The next unit talks about the sections from sociology. So sociology, gender, women's studies. So it's a kind of interdisciplinary aspect here. So students from sociology, social work do get a benefit here. Now, what are the challenges faced by vulnerable sections of the society, by the females of the society, by the aged, disabled children of the society, and what is the Indian knowledge system that could be used to predict and focus on reduction in disaster management, the economic impacts and the livelihood impacts. The next is the community based risk reduction. So here we would focus on local authorities, communities, focusing on the Sendai framework, health systems. Now this relates to the sections from population studies and social medicine, so an integrated framework from there. Now here, what are the health systems at national, state and center, district level? Then the epidemic outbreak of a disease due to a disaster, let's say there is a flood. Now what could be the outbreak of disease related to it, how vector-borne diseases could be caused in the region, then sanitation issues, water issues in the related areas, epidemiology and the study on epidemiology, public surveillance and the disasters which could actually lead to bioterrorism, biosafety and biosecurity issues. So those are again an important issue. And then post-traumatic stress disorder, that is PTSD, which is a section from psychology, the mental aspects and the socio-psychological support related to it. Then the unit talks about environment, ecology and climate change extensively from geography and environmental science. So the basics of energy flow, environmental pollution, the ecological approaches on occupational safety. The next unit talks about remote sensing and GIS, again an extensive unit that we have covered in the sections on environmental science and geography. So it covers about the tools and techniques that could be used to mitigate the issue and the problem. And then use of ICT. Now when we say information and technology, how computers could be used, the role of robotics, social media, and finally the emergency response systems, which talks about the health services, risks and communications, the role of media, the shelter arrangements for emergency and support functions. Now this is the syllabus as we have explained under the disaster management, but as you can see the syllabus is extremely extensive as compared to other syllabus for the UGC NET. So what one thing you can take into account is here you can actually pick in your domain, which domain do you belong to. So let's say I give you a simple example. If you are from geography or environmental science, unit you would have unit 8 Unit 7, Unit 8, and then Unit 1 would be Unit 1 and 2 would be an integrated part of it. So 4 units are already covered in simple means. So what you have to focus is on the other 6 units. Now other 6 units, it's not necessary that you would be able to cover those in detail, but you must have a basic idea. So in your bachelor's, if you have an interdisciplinary subject, that would help you, and definitely if you have done your PG in disaster management, then all of these are part of it, so that could be easily achieved. For those who are studying for other subjects and appearing for disaster management as one of the subjects, these were some of the guidelines that we have brought in here. We will be covering many such interesting sessions for you. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. Thank you.